Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Good evening. I am Sukhra Khanwala and this is Mojo Story. The farmers' protests have intensified. It's in its 28th day. We are here to ask Yogendra Yadav, the president of Swaraj India, where the farmers' protests stand at this point of time and what is the way forward. Where do the talks stand now?
Well, they stand still. The government spoke to us on the 1st, 3rd, and 5th. The government asked us, why are you demanding the repeal? We gave them solid reasons. The government converted our reasons into demands for amendments, which we never wanted. We clarified again and again. We are giving you grounds for repeal. We are not giving you demands for amendment. The government said, we will amend these things. Then in the meeting on 5th, we said, no amendment is acceptable. Thank you. Can we discuss repeal? The government said, all right, let us go to the higher ups. We'll come back to you with a concrete proposal. Then on 9th, they come back exactly with the same things that we had rejected in the meeting on the 5th. And then the government says, oh my God, they're not responding. Why are they not responding to us? I mean, if the only job we have is to write letters to the government, that's a different matter. The fact of the matter is the government has not moved 1 inch on what we demanded. We are saying we are very happy to talk. We are here for talks. We are eager to talk. Please give us something concrete, something more than what you have given on the 5th.
But the centre did offer concessions, including writing, MSP in writing. So, but the farmers actually rejected it.
That's another lie. The government actually said literally, we shall give a written assurance concerning the present system of MSP. What does it mean? What is the assurance the government is going to give us? So there are 3 problems with that. Number 1, the government is talking only about the present system. So 80% people who are not covered by today's system, there is not even an attempt to pretend to give them anything. Number 2, it is written assurance, not a law that we wanted. And number 3, the government wants to simply retain it to the very limited system that operates today. And we are saying, please, what we want is only what Mr. Narendra Modi had himself demanded in 2011, namely legal status for MSP.
Talking about Narendra Modi, it's said that he's going to talk to a couple of farmers on 25th. Are you expecting anything out of the interaction?
Well, these so-called interactions turn out to be a one-way interaction. The government picks up some guinea pigs. There is an orchestrated thing there. All this is for media consumption. I want to ask the government, are you really interested in going beyond simply media interactions, playing these media games? Do you even want to begin to talk seriously?
But so a lot of small groups have emerged, like a lot of small unions have emerged. Do you think that because a lot of unions have emerged, the entire movement has kind of become leaderless at this point?
I'm astonished that you think so, because the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, which had given a call for Delhi Chalo, is a very coherent conglomeration of about 400 farmers organizations, which has 3 very large umbrella organizations. Not one of those 400 has left us. Not one is willing to negotiate with the government. You are saying these organizations have emerged. No, they have not emerged. They are being invented. Government agents are scouting for any farmer. Tomorrow they would hold you and say, do you want to become farmer's leader? We'll make a letterhead for you. We'll print a card for you, provided you are happy to go to the farmer's minister. These people who their neighbors don't know, they are being presented as national leaders. This is a joke.
Tomorrow, Rahul Gandhi is going to lead a protest march to Rashtrapati Bhavan and submit the memorandum with around 200 crore signatures and submit it to Ramnath Kovind. Do you think that this will bring some respite to the entire movement?
Look, the movement is here. The struggle is here. All those things can happen. I do not object to anyone doing anything to support them, but that is not what our real struggle is. Our real struggle is out here.
So you still stick by all the demands that you've had, the repeal of the laws?
That's why we came here. If we came here, are here for 1 month, and if we suddenly turn around, this would not be a movement. No one would take us seriously.
So a few days back, we had Tuhin Sinha, a member of the BJP, on our show, and he said that it is kind of, unbelievable that the farmers are actually expecting the repeal of the laws. Do you have anything to say on that?
It is almost unbelievable that BJP does not understand the largest voter segment of this country.
Few days back, a priest actually died by suicide and left a note saying that he supports the farmers. Do you think that this has changed the nature of the protests? Are the farmers more angry, agitated?
They're hurt. They're very deeply hurt. They're hurt because this minimum recognition is not there, that there is such a widespread protest. Nearly for 1 month, farmers are out there in this cold. And जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं पत्थर भी पिघल जाता है देख के तो. Even that does not register with them. So yes, farmers are deeply hurt. They are anguished. They want to know why is it that the government cannot listen to the farmers. What is this great thing about gifting them something which they do not want? Can't the government listen to them? That is the question.
What do you think is the way forward now? What are you
It's a very good question. The question should be asked to the government. We are sending them this letter. I'm sure you would go and ask this question to the government.
So this was Yogendra Yadav, who said that the farmers are deeply anguished and only the government can tell us what the way forward is. Thanks to our audience for watching Mojo's story, and we will come tomorrow again with a deep dive into an important story. Thank you.